How to change Reddit username after 30 days. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Marina and let's get started. So go ahead and tap on your profile icon which is at the very top. Now from there we have to go to our settings option. Now go ahead and tap on it. Now scroll down and then tap on Help Center. Here in the search bar, you have to search for change your username. However, when you search for it, the only result you will get is you won't be able to change it after it is finalized. So sadly, there is no any option for us to change it and we'll be stuck with a childish Reddit name forever. However, you can always sign up with a new Gmail account so that you can have a username of your preference. Hopefully this video was informative and thank you so much for watching.